Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk-around startup video of this 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. This car is a true Super Sport. It is a 11837 VIN code. It is a 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. This car features a 350 engine under the hood with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. This car has factory power steering, factory power brakes, and factory air conditioning, which is a rare option on these 1966 Novas. The car also has front disc brakes, has BF Goodrich radial TA tires on it with a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. I bought this car from a private individual that I've known for a while. This car runs and drives very well. He owned this car for about 10 years, drove it, enjoyed it. He's just moving on to a different vehicle. So this car is ready for the next owner to drive and enjoy. Very nice, clean, solid car. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's a very nice driver quality car. The undercarriage of this car looks very, very nice. It's super solid. I did take pictures of the underneath of the car so you can see how solid it is. Butternut yellow in color. It is a gorgeous car. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats with the factory center console. There it is. Interior's in good shape. Carpet has a couple spots on it that are a little bit faded. You can see right there. The dash is in good shape. Super Sport. Headliner's in good shape. It's all intact. Sun visors, rear view mirror. Rear seat belts are all in the car. Rear panels are in good shape. Package tray with both of your speakers. Door jambs. It has a few chips here on the door jambs when you open the door. I would say probably all this paint in here is all original. You know, if you wanted to take the car, it's a very nice, clean, solid car. If you want to take the car to the next level, you can paint them door jambs in there. I'm trying to make this car so it's still affordable for somebody to buy. This car's not going to be priced at $55,000 or $60,000. I'm going to price this car probably $42,900, $43,900, somewhere in that vicinity. So somebody's going to get a great car at a great price. Not looking to rip anybody's head off on a car, just looking to make a living, make an honest living, and have somebody have a car that they can drive and enjoy. Same way with this side. It's got some chips here. Those could be touched up and painted. Runs good, dash lights work, 55,000 miles. Gas gauge works. Wipers work. Horn works. I don't know about the radio. Yeah, it works. Cigarette lighter works. Left turn. Right turn. Got one tail light bulb that don't work. License plate light, tail light turn signal. Headlights, turn signal. The bright work, chrome stainless and bright work on the car is in good shape. All this around the windows is in good shape. Glass is all intact and no cracks or breaks in that. It's got a, see, I seen a ship. It's got a little chip here around the tail light. You got to really be right on top of it to see that. A little touch-up spot here around the antenna that somebody touched up. Like I say, you guys watch my videos, you know that I tell you everything I see about these cars or with these cars. Got the VIN number printed in the window on this one too. Kind of weird. I have seen other cars like that in the past, so. This is the only thing I see in the interior. It's got a split right here on this seam on this seat, you can see. That needs to be stitched back up. That's why we're pricing this car the way we are. I mean, it's a gorgeous car and it's super solid. Absolutely love the car. Show you the under the hood. Say power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, aluminum intake, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, chrome valve covers, washer fluid jug still intact. Underneath the hood, insulation's all there. Very good running car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport, give us a call. Door gaps are nice. All the panels seem to fit good. Looks to me like the car's got all the original body panels on it. Just a really, really good car. I love these cars. 66 and 7 is my favorite year of a Nova, so. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks.